Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to create macros in Excel. Let's begin by opening up Excel. Click on the Start button. Go to All Programs. Select Microsoft Office. Let's just open up Excel. Now what we have to do is record a new macro. To do so, click on Tools at the top. Click on this arrow at the very bottom to expand it to make sure you get all the options. Highlight Macro, and we're going to say Record New Macro. This brings up the Record Macro interface where you can name your macro. I'm just going to name it Simple Macro. I'm going to give it a shortcut key of Control plus K. And I'm just going to click OK. Oh, well, you can't have a space in your name, so let me delete that space and say OK. Now I'm going to it's currently recording my macro, so I'm going to do the actions that want to occur in my macro. I'm just going to type the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 across the top. And then I'm going to do some formatting on them. Like I'm going to bold it and make the text larger. Now that I've got my macro actions done, I want to click down here and just say Stop Recording in this little window that appeared when I began recording. My macro is completed, and to show that it's working, I'm going to delete the data that I've just entered, and I'm going to press my shortcut key of Control plus K to show that it re-enters it. This process is the same whether you're using Excel 2003 or XP. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to record macros in Excel.